It's 2:02 p.m. Wednesday, February 14, 2024. And I'm measuring 58-59 dBA. 15 meters probably behind the noise monitoring station from Kelt on my property. We had this morning multiple times gas release on our property. It smells like when Kelt did sometimes maintenance to the gas wells just across the street, somewhere in there, or in there. Where are those tanks, those standing tanks? Somewhere, or behind the wall. Anyway, somewhere in there on the pad there are two already existing wells, and sometimes some of the gas release that they had smells like the one we had today. It's not from trucks, from there is an excavator with metal trucks always going back and forth. I think it's moving pipes. Oops, I lost it. Oh, it's there.